Good afternoon, everyone, and this is Michale. Welcome back to my Facebook page. So now, what we're gonna do? We are going to unboxing of Michael Kors bag, and yeah. So first, if you buy a Michael Kors bag, you normally have this one in case you doesn't like the brand. There will be a tracking number and the instruction and how you will return the item. And as you can see, I have a lovely box here. I put during my purchase, I put as a gift because I love collecting boxes as well, especially with brands. So there you go. This is not my birthday, but I love treating myself because I work 70 hours a week. Yeah, you heard me. Yeah, so you need to treat yourself sometimes. And are you ready? Are you excited? Because I do. Dun dun. So I'm scared. There you go. And then the ribbon then. Then in the plastic, I love it. I just always love having the gift the back thing with Michael Kors or any bags, even Guess. I love their packaging. So now, remove that thing, that's the shortcut. Here we go. Oh my G. Look at that. So, let's remove it. Remove it. We don't need it anymore. Remove this one as well. Remove this one. So, what can you say about my new bag? La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's say, see your Michael Kors. It's really small than what I expect. And yeah. So there's another name here, and then it's a thing. Now, there you go. So, the zipper is alright. And then there's another logo here inside. There you go. And that's how you close it. And when you open it, just do that one. Love it. And then I like it when you call me Senorita. I wish I could. I think that's it for today. Now, what do you think of my new bag? Okay, bye for now.